Unless we understand everything scientifically, in a time when people have so much opinion on social media, the only thing that you can fight that with is science. And Elephants Alive is providing really good scientific research to back management decisions.
Because we are actually a mine, and the elephants that we've got on site are in operational areas. They are between a lot of people the whole time, and we're trying to figure out what it is drawing them to the area, what is making the area so preferable for them to come and actually spend their lives there.
Elephants are heavily persecuted in places. There's big arguments as to how they're affecting trees, how they're affecting the landscape. And with the research Elephants Alive are doing, they're showing where we can focus energies, where we can focus resources.
A few bulls that actually don't even leave the mine. They stay there the whole life. They're born there and they die there. And we're trying to figure out if there's any specific thing in the soil or in the diet or anything that's actually attracting them to the area.
In the ecology of things, everything's long-lived. So we've got to look 50 years down the line. There's the big culling debate, there's the big hunting debate. And to protect a species like elephants, which draws so much emotion out of people, then the science is going to have to be what really pulls us together there. It's an amazing thing that there's so many people willing to help out. It makes a huge, huge difference to what we can achieve at the end of the day. There's a vet and there's an ecologist and then there's what you'd call a layperson, and everyone that's out there is making a difference. Everyone's got to get together and pull together to make this sort of stuff work, and we've seen it happen more and more, and hopefully it's going to carry on because it's making the real big projects a real possibility.